So it's a Sunday afternoon around 4 p.m. And I forget the name of the street. I think it's Marshall Avenue here. And it looks like there is going to be a train. But I saw a light. And there's going to be one here. ALP45DP heading into Montreal. And that's why he turned his light off, because there's a freight train also. And before that there was a Via Venture train that came through Dorval. So this train's here heading towards downtown Montreal. And we'll see when the freight trains come. There's also another one waiting at Dorval, a double stack. Oh, sounds like a train's coming this way. Heading to Central Station on Canadian National Tracks via rail train from Toronto. Yeah, there's a train there waiting. Oh, it sounds like it's coming. Yeah, there it is. Looks like it's waiting for clearance. Alright, looks like we got some movement here. Much prefer the old CPKC or the old KC Kansas City Southern to the new CPKC paint scheme. So we have a westbound heading out here at Marshall Avenue. And there's no chance it's going to come onto this track. It's got to derail. And this is the siding that goes to the whatever this is here. The Rail, I think they call it. Here on a Sunday afternoon. Around 4:30 now, I think. Waiting here for a little while. The train I thought was gonna come was the Eastbound, but the Eastbound is still waiting, I think. So I do have my bike back, and I'm back to biking again. So I biked over here to Marshall Avenue. And there's a Via train in the background there. There's the mid-train DPU, Canadian Pacific, and a lot of empties. Auto racks. Next freight, and that's the end. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.